These are the visuals coming in from Uttarakhand, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating a bike rally, and which is as part of his initiative to keep a mix of religious rituals and then flagging off key tourism initiatives. Because it's bike rallies like these or treks that will promote local economy as well. It will bring further opportunities. Remember, life in the mountains isn't easy. Livelihood usually is agriculture. It's very basic. For Uttarakhand, it's also, of course, now tourism that has become the highlight. So as part of the state's winter tourism program, Prime Minister Modi and the government aims to promote religious tourism, boost local economy. So these are the different visuals. In many ways, the visuals on your screen sum up the agenda for the government of the centre and the BJP government in Uttarakhand as well, which is to promote both religious tourism. And remember, while it is popular and it is famous in summer, why not do it in the winters too? Look at that. You can clearly sense it's still peak winters when it comes to the state of Uttarakhand. Loud cheers. The local residents of Uttarakhand.
ये उत्साह वाकई देखते ही बनता है। तो चलिए, अतिथि देवो भव की परंपरा का अनुसरण करते हुए मैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री पुष्कर सिंह धामी जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का वे स्वागत करेंगे। हमारा जो स्थानीय मफलर अंगवस्त्र है वो भेंट करके और साथ ही मां गंगा की शीतकालीन पड़ाव की प्रतिकीर्ति भेंट करते हुए।
A traditional shawl and also more gifts being given in. That's the Sri Gangaji Mandir in Mugba, where Prime Minister Modi is presently in Uttarkashi district, where he was early this morning offering prayers. Now greetings and presents being given to Prime Minister Modi.
साथ में स्वागत कीजिए माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय का स्वागत संबोधन के लिए। भारत माता की।
That's the Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami, speaking. Remember the focus that because these areas often become inaccessible during the harsh winter months, that winter in itself also becomes a tourism destination for Uttarakhand. Mr. Dhami has had to ask people to now remain quiet as he begins to speak, as they are applauding and cheering for the Prime Minister present. So this is presently the big highlight coming in from Uttarakhand, where Prime Minister Modi has taken a day out to be in locations which are considered winter seats for Ma Ganga and the gods, remember, because the winter season that usually is inaccessible to other parts of the state of Uttarakhand.